Wellwin i8 2.4 gigahertz wireless keyboard and mouse. This thing is really nice. Just got this. I've been playing around with it. It works great with, I did a review on this, the MXQ Pro TV Box. It works great with that. I'll have the link in the description where you can find the review to that one. And first of all, take a look at the box here. Nice box. Here at the bottom. You see it works with pretty much any Bluetooth device as long as it's got a USB port. And first of all, we'll show you what comes in the box. Your remote or keyboard. It comes with an instruction manual and your standard micro USB to charge. And I will also show you how you install this. Well, first of all, you open this. I went ahead and put it back in here, but that USB receiver, you take that out. You see? You take that out and you plug it into your USB, either your computer or your TV box, whatever you're wanting to use it with. So it's really simple, and then once you have this installed, you just click the on button and you'll see the red light. Go ahead and turn it off. That'll say battery. Your micro USB to charge is up at the top, and it's really nice. As you can see, it has lots of buttons and functions. This one's mainly designed for TV boxes. As I said in my review of the TV box, it's really kind of hard, and it's to control it with just the regular remote and with all these buttons. And then this up here is actually a mouse, which makes it real easy. I had told you I was going to hook up my computer mouse to the TV box, but now I don't have to. It's really cheap on Amazon right now. It is $13.79 and free shipping if you're Amazon Prime, and it's really great. And I'll have the link to that in the description box below. And it's a really good product. As you can see, here's the battery. It is a rechargeable battery, lithium ion. It does take a little bit to get here, but for you it'll be Amazon Prime, so only 2 days you'll get this for a low price. And I recommend this especially if you have a TV box. And I'm sorry it's been a while since I've uploaded. I've been really busy, and there'll be more reviews coming. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below, and more reviews coming. Thanks.